Hello, it's Angeline. I'm back with another crafty video with Unity stamp, and today I'm gonna show you another way you can use your Ornament Builders stamp set. So today I'm grabbing these ones from this set, and as you can see they come all in one piece and you can keep them together or keep them apart. It's up to you. So I'm grabbing a Kraft cardstock here with my Misty stamping tool, and I'm going to show you how I stamped my sentiments. I'm just going to place them on my cardstock and then close the door to grab them on the other side. And I'm grabbing the Delicata white ink here because white kind of looks really cool on craft paper and they show up really well. So I'm just stamping the top and bottom part of the stamp and just closing the door, stamping it onto my card. What's great about having a Misty is you can always ink the stamp back up again and stamp it back up onto your cardstock if you think that is not enough. For the sentiment, I'm grabbing this set by Gracefully Design called A Christmas Hello, and I'm grabbing the love and peace stamps here to stamp up right in the middle of my ornament. Because I didn't ink up the middle part, that leaves me a space for my sentiment. So I'm grabbing the Versamark embossing ink here just to ink up the words and then stamping it right on my cardstock. Then I'm grabbing the Ranger Gold embossing powder here and just sprinkling it right in the middle where the words are. Because I'm using Delicata ink, the ink is kind of wet and is able to emboss if you want to emboss your entire ornament. Then I'm grabbing my Ranger heat tool here to heat up the embossing powder to activate them. Here is a close-up of the ornaments, and I will cut them up into circles and punch a hole right in the middle at the top to tie up my Trendy Twine here so that I could use them as my Christmas gift tags for my presents. You could also write a personalized message right at the back to further customize it. So here are my finished gift tags. I hope you find this quick tip a fun one, and thanks for watching. Bye!